Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to be very real with you, letting you know that you can actually make deposit in your trading account and also make profit, just like as I've done. I used to say at the probabafx Academy we don't trade every day, but this period I decided to trade for just 1 week. I funded $200 and I've made over 100%, that's to say above $500, and I'm still in profit as I speak to you. I always advise traders, when you make profit, withdraw your profits and leave your capital, because the funds you still keep in your trading account is not your money. Until you withdraw it, that's when you call it your money. I'll be showing you in this video how I grew this account with a very amazing strategy, but I'm not going to reveal that strategy. That strategy is just for my students and my clients. So I'm just going to show you the account here, because I believe in proof. I don't believe in talking, or I don't believe in screenshots. I took 95 trades and I lost 8. I first raised the account from $200 to $503. Then I said to myself, why don't I withdraw $300 and leave my capital there? Which I withdrew $303. That's the first withdrawal. The account got back to reset, which is $200. I decided to trade again. Mind you, this all happened in about 1 week. I didn't try to flip the account, because what I've actually put into consideration over my years of trading is patience and consistency. There were days I made only $14. There were days I made 20-something dollars. There were days I made $80. So it varies. I wasn't trying to flip the account in 1 day or in 24 hours. So mind you, it took me a while to grow this account, which was 1 week. Then I proceeded. After the reset to the 200, I grew another $150 on it. I decided to also withdraw my profits. It has always been a habit for me, and that's what I teach my students. Once you make profit on your capital, make sure you withdraw the profit, then you can proceed. So that was my second withdrawal. Then I proceeded after withdrawing the $150. Then I grew the $200 again, being the third time, with a profit of $87. I decided to withdraw. So all this withdrawal, you can also see it on the screen. I don't like talking too much, I like showing proof. In essence, what am I trying to say? Consistency and patience. It doesn't mean you have to fund a very large account before you start making money from the Forex market. With that your little, and with the proper knowledge and the skill, you can be profitable. If you can press your calculator, how much is $500 in today's Nigerian economy, you find out how much I've made over a space of 1 week. I didn't make that money overnight. The same way I'm able to raise a $200 to over a $500. You can also raise a $1,000 to over a $15,000. It's possible. Over time, I'm not saying flipping. And I'm not about those people that will come and show you screenshots of demo account. No, I believe in real trading accounts. So having withdrawn over $500 on that account, I still have my capital left there, and I've made $11 on it. I decided to close for the day. And I will be taking you on the journey from time to time how I grow little accounts. If you know what you're doing, you really don't need so much account to start trading. Start off with whatever you can provide. Fund your account, get the proper knowledge, because I didn't just enter buy and enter sell. No, I had a strategy and I had a time that I trade. And you know, in the Forex market, we have the New York, London, and Asian section. One of them was my favorite, so I stick to it, and that helped me grow the account very fast, because I noticed that is what works for me. But I'm not going to tell you my strategy. Is a special one, but if you're interested, enroll with the probabafx Academy. I'll be teaching you this special strategy that will help you milk the financial market. If you know the slogan at probabafx, what are you waiting for? Let's milk it.
probabafx shop for you.